Well, folks, it looks like this could be the border all American plants coming up right here. A little tiny, tiny one right there. That might be something right there. I'm going to continue to check the dirt, trying to move the camera slowly. Hope it stays in focus. Got the trash people over here. I guess, I don't know. Sound like the trash people. You hear that noise? Focus, focus. This is how big that one got from the pictures I took the other day. And here are the sunflowers. Look at the plant coming right out of this sunflower. That is so amazing to me, the way that works. They're getting bigger. Some of these seeds just brushed up to the top. Well, anyway, every day almost I'm out here documenting my dang plants, which I love. Look at this baby. It's supposed to rain. It's Sunday, February 29th. They say it's supposed to rain Sunday, I guess. I just love these elephant bush plants. Trying to pick up the, if I don't fall and break my neck like I did the last time. Trying to look at the torch plant. Call it torch plant because the end, I guess it looked like flames and little wiry ends. Alright, that's enough of that. Well, I did create a planter for my blue, I don't know why I can't keep the name of this plant in my head. The fish hook plant. Blue ivy, I forget, dang. I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of this plant. But I know it's fish hook. And I put it in a planter so when it grows it can hang over. Hopefully it works out. Look like my dang creeping Charlie is getting situated in his new home. Hopefully. I don't know what's wrong right there, but this is the elephant bush, and that's this plant that I still got to get the name and write it down. Well, it's going to be raining, so ouch. I guess I'll leave this alone for now. See y'all later. Oh, don't let me forget to say my new plants are still hanging in there, I guess adapting to their new home. My hens and chicken, it looked like it spread it out. It's not as compactly tight like it was. The leaves are fluttered. Interesting. It was tightly compact, this plant. Now the leaves are fluttered, fanned out. Interesting. This plant here is getting new leaves in it. How about that? So I guess it's loving its new home. And this one at the top is getting a new leaf inside. I moved quick, sorry. And this one too. This one looks like it's getting a new leaf too. This one is definitely getting a new leaf. This stick looking aloe vera chalk looking baby right here is hanging in there so far. I moved this plant out of there because I don't think this plant likes a lot of sun, so I put this one in the shade, and it's looks like it got a little bit bigger. But I'll keep updating them. My precious little plant here. I love it.